Gisani hadar mar mondo mwachak gi weche manyien. Chenro mano mar winjo buch nek. Mano mar japuonj Albert Ojwang mabende nonegi e sel matesendo bila ma Central Bura Nairobi. Odonjo odiochienge mar ariyo kawuono e doho ma Kibra. Kama doho dhi mbele kod nono picha mago mag wang' dede kod winjo neno mar joneno mabende opanda magolo neno margi ewi burano. Achija uchiel moriwo nyaka mane en OCS matesendo bila ma Central Samson Talam. Bende obila mamoko ariyo kod raia adek manintiere kod Ojwang e sel benitimo negi nonro. Gisani bura makmano dhi nyime e doho ma Kibra wawinja nena.
This particular part here?
Yes, that's the main entrance to the cells. Okay. Yes.
That's good. Are you able to recognize any of these individuals here?
The one in uniform only.
Okay.
Yes.
Who is it?
That is Pisikimani, was the cell sentry of the day, of that night.
The sentry?
Cell sentry.
Those two other people. And what about this particular part?
That is outside the station.
Yeah. On which part?
On the left, that is waiting. That's a waiting bay building that is outside the main building. So I was not able to view that
Okay.
time. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
But having worked at the station, you're able to recognize it?
Yeah, by then it looked like that one.
Okay.
Yes.
And this particular part? Sorry.
That was the main entrance to the main building, to the station building. According to my statement, the main entrance of that is what I was able to view. The officer in uniform talking to two people at the main entrance. That's where you see. Yes. Then the two, that is waiting area, waiting bay at the cells. The two are seen entering. They proceed to the search area. Inside the, yeah, there's a data entry to the search area where the prisoner's property and like the shoes and belts are kept, and there's no camera inside there. And then there's another entrance. Inaingia kwa cells direct sasa. Yes.
So that along this corridor, these are what you referred to yesterday, the honorable court as the cell?
Yes, yes, those are the holding cells.
And what about this particular area you had briefly mentioned yesterday?
That is the last cell that I was mentioning. Those are the two people that I was saying, the two individuals that was on the main entrance earlier, heading to the last cell now.
Okay.
The two individuals.
Where are they walking to?
They are heading to the last cell.
Yes. Can we see them enter the last cell, please? That's where the last cell is.
Is that
Yes, yes, that is the last cell I was referring to.
Okay. Right. Proceed on very slowly from there now. Are you playing?
It's actually playing.
Nyakoram Ojwang chenro makamano dhi nyime doho mano ma Kibra wantiere gi jafwambo marwa Cynthia Onyango mabende luonwa bura makamano ineno kanyo tipo mago mag wang' dede ema bende itimo ne gi nonro gi sane kuku mar wach makamano Nyakoram Ojwang wabiro bedo kwa winje kinde mabiro nyime kopogore gi mano en ni moko kuom jokanyo mago mag riwruok mar Linda Mwananchi mawuok e kaunti ma Bungoma owuok chung' moso gi jowete